Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my Emirates toy airplane. So this is the shelf where I put all my Emirates toy airplanes. Every Emirates airplanes over here are official, not by Darren, because it's only available in the UAE. So this is the Emirates squishy toy. Squishable. This is the Emirates pen I use for drawings. Emirates pullback model that makes lightning sound. This Emirates toy airplane model that I always use and see in videos, viewers. And a puppet from that Emirates bag. So that is it. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe.